I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Media Player in Bonelab. This powerful tool lets you bring your favorite videos and images directly into your virtual world, enhancing your experience. We'll cover everything from accessing the player through your in-game watch to loading your own content. Get ready to transform your Bonelab sessions with personalized media displays, making your gameplay even more immersive and unique. To load your own content, first ensure your video and image files are placed in the correct Bonelab user data directory. The player is designed to support popular formats, including MP4 for videos and JPG for still images, ensuring broad compatibility. Once your files are in place, simply open the Media Player and use its intuitive interface to browse through your content. Selecting a file is straightforward, allowing you to quickly begin playback. Once your media is playing, you'll find a full suite of controls at your fingertips. Easily play or pause your content and use the progress bar to jump to any point in your video. Adjusting the volume is simple with the integrated slider, ensuring perfect audio levels. For continuous enjoyment, activate the loop feature, which will repeat your chosen media indefinitely. These controls give you complete command over your viewing experience. For an even better experience, you can customize the media screen's size and position, placing it exactly where you want within your environment. If you encounter any issues, such as media not loading, double-check that your files are in a supported format and located in the correct user data folder. Remember, the Bonelab community is a fantastic resource for advanced tips and troubleshooting, offering solutions to common challenges. Enjoy your personalized media in Bonelab.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.